Hi, let's make number 1. I am gonna be using number 4 acrylic yarn, a 3.75 millimeter hook, scissors, yarn needle, and I'm gonna measure number for you to see how long it is. It's a little over 3 inches long and 1.5 inches wide, about that. Okay, let's get started. We'll start by making a slip knot. And chain 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 19. Now we're gonna place 2 double crochets into the 3rd chain from the hook, so we don't count this one. 1, 2, 3. Make 2 double crochets into the 3rd. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2 again, and one more time in the same space, another double crochet. Now we need to make 6 double crochets together. That's yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and stop here, don't finish it. And another yarn over, another double crochet into the next, pull through 2, and again don't finish it. Again, yarn over, so we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 unfinished double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on your hook, and now we're gonna yarn over and pull through all of them, just like that. Now we need to make 10 double crochets in the next 10 stitches. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch. That's 1 double crochet, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So far it looks like this. Now for the bottom part, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet into the second, one, double crochet into the third, that's 2. Now another double crochet into, so right here, that's gonna be 3, one more in the middle, try to go through this stitch, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 here, try to avoid the gap, go like that. So 5, and now chain 2, chain 2, and come back with a double crochet into the second from the hook. So not this one, into the second. Double crochet here, and now we are going to slip stitch at the base, so right here, make a slip stitch there, chain 1, and cut your yarn. Now let's hide our yarn ends. So on the back, I'm gonna go this way, and then I'm gonna go back. This way is very secure. Same with this one. Come one direction and then go back. Okay, so here we have our number 1. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for number 2.